I do. And part of my job is doing exactly what I'm telling you, is to stop filming these people in that lobby so that we can protect their confidentiality.
Okay, so when these people leave that lobby and they come out here, you want us to? Are you gonna protect them so we don't get their license plates and all that stuff too?
Once they're behind these doors. After that, it's between you and him.
Okay, what makes that lobby different from this?
It's county property. It's county property in that building. They're here to take care of
that property that we pay for with taxes, because without my dollars, there is no you.
But you don't have the right to breach their.
No, sir, you don't have the right to stop me. King Valley Transparency. I'm here with Tulare County Cop Watch, Nate's Gates 182, doing a First Amendment audit. Here with Tulare County Cop Watch. We're gonna go inside. Holy shit. That shit is packed with people. Give me a sec. What's up, brother? What are you guys doing now? Report the cops and go record public officials. Ask questions, put them in check.
Why they be neglecting us?
Yeah. They be doing too much, man.
They're trying to keep us on here too long.
Yeah, they be doing too much, man. So,
give me a few years.
Yeah, you watch our channels?
Yeah, that's what's up, especially he's a big fan.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Good shit, good stuff, man. That's what's up.
Thank you, brother.
That's cool, man. You guys doing good stuff.
Thank you, bro. Excuse me. So we'll go here and ask questions real quick.
See her eyebrow go up? She don't like that. That's what that means.
What did I say? Right there. What did I miss? Okay, we're walking up through. And then just lift your pant legs up.
Look to see if they're still out here recording.
Is she?
Yeah.
11:15:71.
I don't want you guys to do it. Why? Are you tired? Dude, you're freaking heavy, dude. No. Oh, he is recording.
Yeah. There we go.
No, this is a confidential area.
Both of them. Oh, there's 3 people actually recording.
Kayla?
Okay, I have not checked him in.
Okay, I got it.
They're gonna come out.
You know they're right.
Yeah. What they say, they get educated already? Did they
You guys are wishing they would, huh?
Yeah, they give us a good video, man, you know? They get messed with all the time, man. We get arrested, they twist our arms, throw us out of the building, you know?
I wish you guys were around when they beat the shit out of me. Even though I was already on the 4-pronged out, he kept saying, don't move, I'll shoot you. So he kept saying it too, I'll shoot you. I said, man, shoot this dick in your mouth. And he started laughing, but I'm still pronged out. He was out there by the welfare.
Yeah.
And he dropped his name back to my name. Back my name, got my face, and just start scraping on the concrete.
Somebody or?
Yeah.
Some questions.
Yeah, I have some questions.
Are you in charge?
Well, I'm the chief, but what are you trying to do? Because the reason why we don't do any filming here is because we got confidentiality for all these people who may or may not be on probation. So that's why we don't allow for any kind of
You just want to step
video
outside
recording.
and talk?
But if we want to talk, we can go outside and talk.
This is open to the public.
Yeah, this is open to the public.
But you have no legitimate business here.
Yeah, we do.
That's not true. I was gonna ask some questions.
That's fine. My concern, like I said, is for these folks who may or may not be on probation. They have
You guys mind if
confidentiality.
you guys are on camera?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
All
Yeah.
right. Well, you want to be on.
Yeah, and we know the HIPAA laws and stuff. We're not gonna put the.
Okay, so then
we're
why
not
are
gonna put
you-
nobody's like home address or nothing like that on.
But you have their faces.
Yeah, and that's fine.
No,
That's
it's
fine.
not.
I don't
Actually, it is.
hear any
There's no
complaints.
expectation to
Are
public.
you here? Are you here? What are you here for? Just to
We're here
film?
to actually do a story.
Yeah, we're gonna ask some questions
Ask questions of who?
about probation.
To who?
Okay, so do you want to step outside? We can talk.
No.
Let me ask you this. Under threat of arrest, are you asking me to step outside?
No,
No.
Okay, so we're good.
Can I get you guys' name and badge number?
I'm Chief Kirk Haynes, badge number 1.
Badge number 1.
David Reese, 371.
Thank you, sir.
Cliff Downey, 340.
And I just want to let you know you're also on camera.
Yeah, we go.
Okay, so you don't want to talk to us?
No, we don't need to.
You guys want
We already.
to talk?
I have no problem talking to you, but outside.
Because you have a
Because
minor
like
here,
I've
you have a
I've
child
already
here.
talked to you about why.
Yeah.
You know what? I'll talk to you outside.
Okay,
That's
but
fine.
I would appreciate it if you would too.
Well, he doesn't have to, but if he
No,
wants to, he
I
can.
just said I want to
Right.
appreciate it if you would.
Yeah. So yeah, one of the things we don't come here to disrupt anybody. You know, we don't come here to stir anything up. A lot of the times, you know, one of the things that is frightening, besides getting hands put on us and stuff like that, is the people getting upset, right? But it would actually amaze you to see when we talk to the people, they actually appreciate us being here.
But did you hear someone in there say that they minded you being here taping?
Yeah. But that guy can be easily educated as well. He didn't say nothing.
It doesn't matter whether he wants to be educated or not.
Well, okay,
But-
that's fine, but
but
he didn't
he
say
has- we
nothing
have to
until you
protect-
said something first, sir.
But listen,
He didn't say anything until you said something
as
first.
chief, I have an obligation to protect his confidentiality and each and every person who's in there, who's here
Oh,
doing.
so
legitimate
so what
business.
you're saying is it's your job to come out here and stand in front of everybody's ID?
I don't ask for everyone's ID.
No, what you're saying is you got to protect everybody's identity, right?
I have to protect their
Okay,
confidentiality.
so part of your job is to go and stand in front of all these people when they go up to the counter, because first of all, what I'm not doing is going up to putting it on the counter and getting their names and putting their addresses
But you're
and stuff
putting
like
their
that, right?
faces, and you haven't asked for
And
not one person's
legal.
permission
That's
to
legal.
film.
It's part of the
It's
First
our First
Amendment.
Amendment right.
It's part of the First Amendment, sir.
Listen,
Yeah.
they have an obligation. They have a right to their privacy. They have a
Okay.
right to their privacy.
Actually,
when they're
they're
here doing legitimate business.
Oh, that's what behind the doors are for. That's
No,
what
but behind that door.
That's when you
No,
guys.
behind that door.
That's when you guys take them.
That's open to the public right there.
I'm not saying
And
you.
this is not
you,
the first
you have
place we've
every-
been
if
to.
you
We've
wanna
been to
go
a
in
lot
there
of
and sit
places like
down
this.
and observe things,
And in reality,
Could
this is for your education and our education as well. You know, a lot of times you guys
I'm not
think that
saying
even
that. What I'm
policy.
saying is that they
Uh,
have
my
a
name's
right.
David.
Saying, man.
David
Right.
Reese. Same David.
That's
Okay,
what
easy
I'm
to
saying. We
remember.
have a right
Your
to
name, man?
record, man.
They have a right to their privacy.
Nice to meet
They
you.
don't, bro, because they're in here in public. This is public. You have no expectation in
Yeah.
public, man.
Yeah,
They have an
that's a
expectation-
public lobby, though, sir.
Listen to me.
No,
If someone
man.
is under supervision,
We already know all this, man.
every person who is under our supervision has a right to confidentiality. I'm
And
trying
that
to protect
confidentiality, sir, if
I'm
you
just trying to protect
if you put that out in the open, then you need to make sure that you keep their information private.
I do.
Okay, that's not our job. That's
That's
your
why you
job,
take them
sir.
to the
I
And
do.
so,
And
so-
part of my job is doing exactly what I'm telling you is to stop filming these people in that lobby so that we can protect their confidentiality.
Okay, so when these people leave that lobby and they come out here, you want us to? Are you gonna protect them so we don't get their
No,
license
I can
plates and all that
protect them
stuff too?
once they're behind these doors.
What-
After that,
What
then
makes
it's
what
between
makes
you and him.
Okay, what
You and
makes
her.
that lobby different from
It's
this?
county property. It's county property in that building.
Sir,
They're here to take care of
that
business.
property that we pay for with taxes, because
Yeah.
without my dollars, there is no you.
But you don't have the right to breach their.
No, sir, you
confidentiality.
don't have the right to stop me. That's where
I am
you're
not going
misinterpreting
to- I'm not going to arrest
policy
you.
versus constitution.
I'm not going to arrest you.
know
I'm
what I
just
mean?
telling you that in this lobby, I don't want people to be filmed because we have to protect their confidentiality.
Yeah, but you're
Okay, thank
but
you.
yeah,
All right,
you're,
thanks.
Just
you're
remember, you guys work for us.
Thank you.
No problem. That's Larry.
David. Nice to meet you.
Hey, David, a lot of people think that we're here to stir things up, but we're not, man. It's an education process for everyone, you
All right.
guys and us as well. It's an empowerment, man. It's beautiful. Thank you. That's the education process.
I'm in that thing.
I won't put you on there.
I don't even put pictures on Facebook, so.
Hey, this is what we do.
Look at mommy.
So we record, please.